Confidence is something people often struggle with, and if you're here, that means you're probably one of them. So in this video I'm gonna give you a quick hack, so to speak. A quick technique that you can use to boost your confidence in like 1 or 2 minutes. How does that sound? So first of all, you probably know that your mind affects your body. If you're feeling down and you're not feeling that energetic and you're not feeling confident, then it's gonna show in your body language. Your shoulders are gonna be lower, your voice is not gonna be as confident, and I'm gonna snap back because that's not the way I want to talk. But you see, if you feel down, it shows in your voice, it shows in your body. But here's the thing. Many people don't know that the opposite is also true. Your body affects your mind. Meaning that if you stand up more confidently, you have your shoulders up, your chin up, then it sends hormones and chemicals throughout your body that make you feel more confident. One of them, testosterone, which is one of the prime hormones that cater to confidence. So here's the technique that I'm gonna teach you. What I want you to do, if you are able, if you have a place where you can be alone for like 3 or 4 minutes, then just do this with me. And what I want you to do is just stand broad. Your legs at least shoulder width. Shoulders up and just close your eyes for a moment. And what I want you to do is I want you to think of a time in your life, a moment where you felt absolutely in control, like you felt there was nothing that could stop you, where you felt as confident as you have ever felt in your life. And I want you to just picture that moment and go back to it. And if right now you are looking at that picture as if you are an outsider looking at the event, I want you to change it around. Try to get back in your own body. See this moment through your own eyes and notice how that feels. Notice the difference in feelings. And perhaps you even notice yourself shifting your body around for a more confident pose. That's the second step. What I want you to do is just imagine that moment and just feel how you felt. And I want you to take exactly the same body language as you had at that moment. Same facial expression as well. I mean, you were probably feeling happy, confident. So it's probably a smile or some other confident expression on your face. I was looking for the word. So third thing here is your anger. And probably at the time there was something going through your mind. Just go back and imagine what it was. So maybe it's like you were feeling really good and it's yeah, fuck yeah. Or maybe it's I'm on top of the world. Whatever phrase or word comes to mind first, stick with it. That's gonna be your anger used to summon this energy. So again, you're standing there, eyes closed, imagine that moment. Imagine you are feeling that in the now. You are standing exactly how you stood back then. So a confident pose that gives you power. Then what I want you to do is just go ahead, open your eyes, step back into the now and use your anchor, use your phrase. So for me, it's gonna be like, fuck yeah. And I've got this hand gesture with it. So maybe it's for you, it's a cheer or something else. Because what I want you to do is just use your anchor, use the gesture, and do that a few times in a row. So it would be like, fuck yeah. And you're just giving yourself that boost of energy. You are reliving that moment. And by doing that, you bring up your body language. You're using your body in a way that signals confidence, which gives those hormones to your mind to make you not only look more confident, but to also become more confident. So just do it again one more time. Just stand tall, stand confident, and fuck yeah! That's how you do it. And whenever you need it, just find those like 1 or 2 minutes alone where you can do this. And if you are like very conscious, like maybe you're doing this at a bathroom before an interview, then maybe you don't want to scream and shout about it, but you want to do the rest of these steps anyway. And if there is no way to do this exercise in the moment when you need it, just remember that shifting your body around will make you feel more confident as well. And not only feel it, but also look more confident. So if you've ever noticed yourself like standing like this, looking at your feet or your shoulders drooping down, or you're standing slouched over, then stop. Shoulders up, chin up, stand tall, stand broad, and that's gonna make you look more confident, and it's gonna give off those hormones. They will make you feel more confident as well. And that's literally it. It's a quick exercise, but if you do it, it will make you feel more confident in the moment. So if you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Always appreciate it, and make sure to subscribe to The Unchained Life for more videos that can help you take your life to the next level. I'm Michael, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.